Folks, doing a little review on the greenhouse we got from Amazon. It was on sale for $79, plus it gave a $20 coupon. So total out the door was 59 bucks, folks. Look at this thing. It is awesome. It went up in maybe a few minutes, hour tops. And I mean, it is just awesome. Look at this. It's got windows. It secures. I didn't even need the tie downs because I put bricks around the bottom instead. That was an option they gave you. And I just think that it came out wonderful. And if we go inside, we have our desert roses here, all in a beautiful row. We got our plumerias, more plumerias. Our garlic started early. This is a cherry tree that will go in the ground sometime this year. But we really just want to showcase this thing. It popped together real quick. It took exactly 0 tools. No tools whatsoever. It popped together, and there you have it. Little greenhouse. You can grow all year. It's fantastic. Thanks for joining us, folks. You have a great day.